Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install and set up Microsoft OneDrive for Mac OS. Type OneDrive in search bar. Click OneDrive. Click Get. Click Install App. Click Open. Type your email address or create new account. Click Choose OneDrive folder location. Select any folder. Click Choose this location. Click Next. Sync all folder or selective folder. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.